My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new unwanted browser extension that is called JCleaner. JCleaner is a special adware-type extension that is designed specifically for Microsoft Edge browser. This extension is spread through a lot of misleading pop-ups claiming that people need to update their Microsoft Edge. But this extension, once installed, starts displaying the huge portion of annoying pop-ups in the form of web push notifications. Anyway, if this JCleaner was added to your Edge, access the menu, go to extensions. When you find this JCleaner, click on this button and select the option to remove it from Microsoft Edge. Finally, I also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system to detect and delete all other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.